Nilesh Rai, a 26-year-old aspiring civil servant, met an untimely death in the heart of Delhi. His dreams of serving the nation shattered in an instant when he was fatally electrocuted near his residence. Nilesh's death has sparked outrage and raised questions about safety standards and accountability in the national capital.
Civic apathy takes yet another life, this time in the national capital. 26-year-old Nilesh Rai was electrocuted near Patel Nagar metro station in Delhi on Monday. Nilesh suffered electric shock after he touched an iron gate in a waterlogged area. Incidentally, a live wire was in contact with the gate. Nilesh was rushed to the Ram Manohar Lohia hospital, where doctors declared him dead. The accident took place on the lane in front of his PG accommodation.
बारिश हो रही थी और वो लड़का जा रहा था और मैं थी, तो मैं कह रही यहाँ आसपास तो कोई नजर नहीं आ रहा था। ये ठीक है, हमने इधर देखा पहले, मैंने कोई किसकी चीख आई है, जहाँ किसकी चीख आई, फिर हमने ऐसे देखा उसको जाके, तो वो इस पर दोनों हाथ उस पर चुपके हुए थे।
You can see the road behind me. This is barely an hour's rainfall and there is water that you can see seeping out. There's very bad and poor drainage system that we have already seen in the national capital. Adding to that, when there are loose wires that are hanging out, taking the loss of lives of people, it's an extremely serious issue, posing a question to the authorities of the national capital of the country. Is this how people are supposed to die? Isn't this a bare minimum on the part of authorities and government to ensure that before the onset of monsoon, proper checks and balance are done, that there's no loose wire hanging, there is no such electrocution situation that could actually happen out of it? These are the basics that you expect out of a government, because if that is something that they are failing in, they're failing a lot of people over here.
Nilesh had been preparing for his fourth attempt at the UPSC exam. While he couldn't clear the preliminary exams the last 3 times, he did so this year and was studying for the mains. A civil engineering graduate from IISc in Bangalore, he hailed from Ghazipur in Uttar Pradesh. His demise has left his family shattered.
लोग कह रहे थे कि बिजली विभाग को फोन किया गया, हाँ, किसी ने फोन नहीं उठाया। वहाँ पर आधा घंटा तक पड़ा रहा, आधा घंटा तक जिंदा था। अगर उस समय तुरंत रिएक्ट किया होता, बिजली विभाग ने रिस्पांस किया होता, तो शायद बच सकता था।
The Delhi government has ordered a probe into the incident.
इस पर एक इंक्वायरी ऑर्डर करी गई है। मैंने चीफ सेक्रेटरी को आदेश दिए हैं कि इस पर जांच भी करी जाए कि कौन जिम्मेदार है इस प्रकार की घटना के लिए, और दूसरे ex gratia relief के लिए आदेश दिए।
Over 10 days, a woman was electrocuted in similar circumstances in Delhi. 26 people died in nearly 50 incidents of electric shocks last year in the capital city alone. The rising deaths have, however, had no impact on an administration in slumber. With Shreya Chatterjee and Himanshu in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.